Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our news channel. Today we have China dominates supply of electronic components for made in India products. Now, students, what are electronic components? Basically, they are tiny parts that make up electronic devices, just like the ingredients in a recipe, है ना? So, some common electronic items include capacitors, transistors. Okay, so these are like electronic components that we use these to make smartphone, computer, TV, and other gadgets. All right. So what this article is saying that China dominates supply of electronic components. So China is dominating, and at the same time, although India has started setting up some assembly areas, where meaning that we are assembling these products, these electronic components into smartphone or computer, but for that we need to import these electronic items from China, right? So that is what this article is saying. See, uh, like when you play a game on a tablet, so we need these electronic component inside the tablet that help process the graphics, control the sound, and manage the touch screen, right? So they are the little parts behind the scenes, so make sure everything runs smoothly. And without these parts, our electronic devices would be huge, slow, and wouldn't have all the amazing features we love. So if we want to build a toy car, or if you want to have something, you have a great design and you are ready to pull it together, but you need special parts like tiny motors, wheels, and maybe even some lights. Now imagine if most of these parts came from one big store that has everything you need, and this store is in another country, let's say China. In the worlds of electronics, many of tiny parts needed to make gadgets like smartphones, computers, and TVs, है ना, जैसे पहले explain किया. But most of these electronic items, electronic parts, are made in China. So even though these products are put together in India and labeled made in India, a lot of the important pieces inside them come from China. है ना? तो ये जो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स है, ऑल्दो असेंबली इंडिया में ही हो रहा है, जैसे स्मार्टफोन बनाने के लिए उसमें लिख दिया जाता है मेड इन इंडिया, लेकिन उसके अंदर के जो पार्ट्स है, जो छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स हैं जो एक्चुअल में काम कर रहे हैं, वो कहाँ से हम मंगा रहे हैं? वो चाइना से इंपोर्ट करा रहे हैं. So China is like the store where many of the special parts come from, and without those parts, it would be difficult to make gadgets we use every day. है ना? So to put it simply, even though smartphones might be assembled in India, many of the critical components inside them are still coming from China and Hong Kong. So this shows how much India relies on these places to make the smartphones we use every day. And this is very important. This is very important for us to know about this, है ना? क्योंकि अगर इंडिया में असेंबली हो भी रही है, लेकिन जो इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट्स है वो कहाँ से हम मंगा रहे हैं? चाइना और हांगकांग से, है ना? और उसकी वैल्यू भी बहुत ज्यादा है. सी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट इंपोर्ट स्टूड एट 34 बिलियन ना, 34 बिलियन का हमने इंपोर्ट किया है, जिसमें से 62% चाइना और हांगकांग से इंपोर्ट किया है, राइट? सो दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट, है ना? ये बहुत जरूरी है जानना. और इंडिया को अगर डिपेंडेंट नहीं बनना है, तो हमें भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स को मैन्युफैक्चर करना होगा. Okay, so this article is showing that market for assembling smartphones is growing. है ना? जैसे ये स्मार्टफोन है, आपका आपका फोन है, इसमें जो भी पार्ट्स हैं इसके, तो उसको जोड़ना, उसको असेंबल करने का जो मार्केट है वो इंडिया में ग्रो कर रहा है, राइट? But just like needing ingredients for your sandwiches, India needs a lot of electronic components to build these smartphones. So, however, since India doesn't have enough factories to make all these components, it has to get them from other countries, especially China and Hong Kong. तो इंडिया के पास वो फैक्ट्रीज नहीं है ना जो ये पार्ट्स बनाने के लिए चाहिए. तो इंडिया को कहाँ से इंपोर्ट करना पड़ रहा है? चाइना और हांगकांग से, है ना. Now the question is कि चाइना क्यों डोमिनेट कर रहा है? Why China dominates the production of these electronic components? What is the reason? The reason is China has invested heavily in factories and technology, and it has allowed them to produce components in large quantities. है ना, 3-4 डिकेड्स में, यानी कि लास्ट 30 to 40 years की अगर हम बात करते हैं, तो चाइना ने अपना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का मतलब क्या होता है कि बनाना, ये जो पार्ट्स जो है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक पार्ट्स है इसको बनाना, तो फैक्ट्रीज उन्होंने बहुत स्टैब्लिश किया और इसमें इन्वेस्ट किया, टेक्नोलॉजी में इन्वेस्ट किया, और तब जाके अपना मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बेस उन्होंने इतना ज्यादा बढ़ा दिया है. एंड बिकॉज China makes so many parts at once, so the cost to produce each part is lower, and this makes it cheaper for companies around the world to buy components from China. And China, at the same time, it has large number of skilled workers, है ना, skilled workers हैं, right? जो skilled चाहिए बनाने के लिए, who are experienced in making these components efficiently. And China has a good network of suppliers to supply करते हैं. So this makes it easier and faster to get all the materials needed to produce electronic components. Okay, so because of these factors, China has become the main source for the electronic component that go into gadgets that are made around the world. Okay, so इसीलिए यही reason है कि China जो है इतने सारे पार्ट्स को बनाता है और दूसरे कंट्रीज को इंपोर्ट करता है जहां पे असेंबली हो रही है. तो इंडिया को क्या जरूरत है? इंडिया को सबसे पहले, जैसे आपको बताया, एक तो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग बेस बनाना पड़ेगा, वर्कर्स की स्किलिंग is required, and India also need a well established network of suppliers. That is what India needs to India need to do for it to increase its manufacturing base. All right, students. So that's it for today. Have a happy learning.